Now people put it on the bumper class. People on the bumper class. And Jerry Charlie, we have the bumper class. We are cut off all on the bumper class. All the station about on the bumper class. Right out, right to the talk about.
When you hear that, my viewers, did you know that Tickman, aka 1DADDY Badness, before him drop out, did I try to be an artist? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. I go show you the life of Thickman. How enough of them gunman here, so-called general here, them did want to be an artist, them did want to be a football player, and them was a gunman. So before me jump in at the reasoning, I'm gonna know what I go on. Pre this.
Now people put it on the bumper class. People on the bumper class. And Jerry Charlie, we have the bumper class. We are cut off all on the bumper class. All the station about on the bumper class. Right out, right to the talk about. And a boy, y'all pick up and walk the inboard. And we not pay to shut out in the back out. Now we set in and out. And we must up it out.
When you hear that, my viewers, a Tickman that, aka 1DADDY Badness, before him drop on him face, what you think, my people? You think him did ready for step in a dance hall? Or not have it say them lyrics then already yet? One bag of badness, but rifle a slap all about. My viewers, most of the dance and the general them boy, or most of the youth them boy, them confused. Today them want to be a gunman. Tomorrow them want to be a football player. Next week them want to be a magler. So see me, see him like Tickman. Tickman did want to be an artist, but what if Tickman did become an artist? Who would have booked Tickman for perform pan no show when them don't know that style they go already? Anyway, where Tickman would have perform, you'd have see him up them pull up, and a spray that show they like bacon, So see me, my people, this is the life of Tickman before C-Tac go film and go bust out him head couple days ago. I wanna done here all the people them are going in a tie spend, road black film, some attack good, cause that's all them can do, You think them can run out and say Tickman are evil and a long time him for dead, cause enough youth him make dead? Them can't say that, my people. Look pan them video, look pan them image ya. You know say I be a youth there round Tickman. Say I be a youth a gravitate round the dance and the general them now. Cause I only youth them boy you can program. You know think no big 50-year-old or 60-year-old I go take program from Tickman? No. Be a youth them have round them. Where them can program the youth them. Shuba look at 20 grand pan the youth them. And through the youth them love likes and them now want go work. Them a go run out pan them nose for 1DADDY Badness though. So see it ya, tell the youth them every day, a dead house or a jail house, and it no matter how much you want murder pan the lane or how much you dopey you want have pan the main. See when a year time, nothing can stop it, brother. That's why I'm there as an advocate for youth. And I tell youth say badness is a using game. No loyalty no in a that. Friend a go turn enemy. Nothing you not go earn out of that. You go see you run up and down all the days of your life. Will all iron. And where you gain. Your youth them a beg you a thing and you don't have a dollar for give them. So you run up and down for man. And I call man your dance and your general. So get to youth. You better learn quick and fast. Kevin Blake now joke with no man. A slap we season. See it ya. You don't notice that the whole of the man them will run down power and a run down dance ship. Them a dead off boy ya. Remember that. Cause a different strategy. Different plan. JCF a clean up the island. So see me my people. Tickman. Him did want to be a DJ. A run it down. Enough people are saying him could a DJ. But them lyrics they are mediocre. You don't know see what go on in a dance hall right now. Him could match up to them young youth ya. Him could step in that game ya, me I tell you no. Never ready for this. So him choose the right thing. Badness. And for be a general. And for send man for go bust out people head. And for collect extortion. Till see it there. Film time get expire. See it go bust out him head. So what you think my people? You no think like them lyrics they were Tickman a spit. Him coulda step in a dance hall. Him a have a chance. Or a chat him a chat. Him they just a use him strength. Through him a dance and general. Enough man afraid of him. If you tell him say them lyrics they not ready yet. Some people have a blessed day out there. A safe day out there. Until next time. You see me. You don't know the code of road. A life over death. You hear that?
And we must have